Hey, this is attorney Matt Uhrig. I am a workers' compensation attorney, and well, actually, we do lots of different things. We do auto accidents and civil rights cases and employment law, but one of the primary things that we do is workers' compensation. And whenever someone hires me in a workers' comp case, one of the first questions that they ask is, how do you calculate or how do you determine my workers' comp award or settlement? Well, I wanted to walk through that and explain that a little bit this morning before I started my day. When you are injured, you'll be sent to a doctor, and after your treatment, the doctor will assign a disability rating. That's a percentage that's supposed to represent how severely your body has been damaged in the work accident and how it's going to affect you going forward. That percentage will then be applied to a number of weeks that's assigned to each part of the body. So it depends on what part of your body was injured in the work accident. The Division of Workers' Compensation uses this chart. And as you can see, it's chart number 1, permanent partial disability. And each part of the body, from your eye to your ear, your shoulder, your legs, and your body as a whole, is assigned a number of weeks, right down to your fingertips. So the disability rating is multiplied by the number of weeks for the body part that was injured. And then that resulting number is multiplied by your permanent partial disability rate, which is your pay rate, which is roughly 2/3 of your average weekly wage for permanent partial disability. Now, if you're totally disabled and not able to work anymore, it's a completely different calculation, and we're not going to talk about that right now. So we use this spreadsheet to help a client calculate how much money they would get in a workers' compensation settlement. So for this illustration, we're going to say that you injured your back, which is the body as a whole, right here. And that your permanent partial disability rate is $500. And you can see here, I've already plugged in a number of different disability ratings. So if your doctor gave you a disability rating of 45%, your expected settlement or award would be $90,000. If your doctor gave you a lower rating, let's say 10%, your expected settlement or award amount would be $20,000. And then we have different levels in between. So when you're talking about how much money can I get in my workers' compensation case, this is how you figure it. It is number of weeks for the body part times the disability rating from your doctor times your permanent partial disability wage rate. And that's how you calculate it. Thanks.